What's up, guys? Robbie here. Gonna show you how easy it is to do an oil change on this 2012 Subaru Impreza. Um, First things first, always have safety gloves. Yeah, let's get into it. Alright, so we got the oil filter off. We're having the oil being pumped out right now. Super cool. Super convenient too. I can get the oil out as I take off the filter all at the same time. Super nice. But yeah, I'm just wiping down the plate surface for the oil filter. Make sure it's all nice and clean for the new oil filter. We're gonna continue draining this oil. I know a lot of you are probably like, Robbie, why didn't you use the band wrench to tighten the oil filter? Well, because the oil filter is only supposed to be hand tight. It's not supposed to feel like freaking the Hulk just put on your oil filter and you can't take it off. So that is why I did not use this to tighten the oil filter back on. For all spin-on filters, for the most part, it should just be hand tightened. All right, y'all. It looks like it is almost done. It's starting to clear up. Let's give it a few more pumps and then should be all done. I mean, this thing's about halfway filled up, so it's probably got most of it already. A lot of you may be asking, how much did this customer pay for this service? Absolutely nothing. Why? Because she's my girlfriend and I charge her in love. But she does have a K&N air filter that needs to be cleaned. And yeah, we're gonna do that real quick. So the oil did get done as I was getting prepared to do the air filter. So we are gonna do the air filter real quick and then we're gonna put in the oil. Actually, matter of fact, let's see here. I don't know if you can see that. There is oil on the dipstick short, but that is just residual oil. But yeah, that pump got all of it out, which is super crazy. And for those out there, they're like, oh, the dipstick only shows the top 2 quarts of the oil or whatever. Long dipsticks. Clean. I mean, there's the residual oil, sure, but I mean, clean, which is really nice. So yeah, actually, matter of fact, we'll probably just enter in the oil and then I'll do the air filter afterwards. All right, guys, we are about to put the oil in right now, and after that, we'll hit the air filter. Got done putting the oil in. Gonna measure it real quick. I know it's hard to see, but you can see the second hole right there is filled with oil. Kinda. I know it's hard to see, but it's there. And before we start this car up, we are going to clean this air filter first. This is her air filter. It's bit dirty, but we're gonna get this cleaned. I myself do not have a K&N air filter, so this is my first time cleaning one, but we got the cleaner here. It says to liberally spray both sides and let it soak for about 10 minutes so it can be clean. And then I'm assuming we rinse it off and then we spray the filter oil on it, and it's gonna look relatively new, hopefully brand new. All right, so you know how I said I don't have a K&N air filter myself. Clearly, because the air filter has to naturally dry itself before we could plug it back into the car, and I can't start the car until the air filter is back in the car. So we live and we learn, you know. This is my first time doing this, but well, first time with the K&N air filter. I've done multiple oil changes before, but yeah. We are going to rinse this out, and hopefully it'll be good after that. If not, we'll probably have to repeat step number 1, which is spraying on the cleaner and then waiting another 10 minutes to rinse it out. And then if not the first time, after the second time it should be good, but hopefully it's good after the first time. Unfortunately, I think we're gonna have to repeat step 1 just because I don't think she's ever actually cleaned this, so we're gonna make sure it's extra clean. We are gonna let the cleaner sit in the air filter for about 10 minutes, let it soak up all the dirt and grime again, and then as we wait, I'm actually this container here is just it's 16 quart, yeah, 5 gallon I think, or maybe 10 gallons, whatever. Anyways, using this to store the oil in, and then just go to O'Reilly's and they dispose of it for me, as well as the oil filter. Lot more clean. Because this is filter oil, I'm not going to do it anywhere near here. I'm going to do it out in the street. I don't want it to get anywhere else. Is this dry? Yeah, it's dry. And it says to spray about 3 inches away, so. This indeed is the same air filter, believe it or not. Brand new. Almost. We cleaned it to be looking brand new. Anyways, yeah, we're going to install this here. Then I'm gonna have my girlfriend start up the car, and we're gonna check the oil pressure, make sure no oil is leaking out of the oil filter, make sure everything's on tight, and yeah, everything should be good after that. All right, go ahead. Yep. Oh, yeah. All right, so that's good. No oil leaking there. Air filter secured. Yeah. Check the oil level one more time, even though I know I already showed you guys, but it's good practice to check after the engine and the oil. Okay, after you put in the new oil, it's got to cycle through the engine, and it's good practice to always check the oil level to make sure that it's all good. The oil level, it's kind of hard to see, but it is between this dot and this dot, which is normal operating range. All right, guys, we got guests leaving Bay 1. Everyone say bye. Bye. Fuck that, we're not valvoline, we're better than those guys.